Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your password on the Reddit application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then tap on your avatar icon that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. Now tap on the settings. And as you can see in the account settings section, there is one button. So tap on your username, then tap on change password, which is the third option in the basic settings section. And then you should type in your current password into the first box, then add your new password and add it again in order to confirm this. So if you are done with these steps, all you have to do is pressing the button save in the upper right corner of the screen, thereby updating your password. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.